Okay, so we are looking at our Bitcoin and this for our signal last week pa, no? Actually. So last week we gave a signal na we are maintaining our bullish outlook with Bitcoin. So we had here a signal buying at 75. So why we had that signal is because of this move na break niya itong 75. Sabi ko, if 75K gets broken, then we can support such move. Yan. So since continually nag-break out and then higher highs, higher lows, so we bought at this level and now na TP hit niya na nga yung TP1 natin and yun. So it's kind of forming cup and handle formation and a reversal pattern and yun nga nag-breakout na siya dito. So let's see if it's going to sustain na trigger niya na yung buy stop order natin at 79 79K and it went up to 80 already. So for scalpers, yun, it's a really good move na, no? So okay na yung move na yan. That 1,000 na yan. So by the way, you can trade Bitcoin with Vantage Markets, no? So anything indices, currency pairs, forex, commodities, and also metals, yun. Gold, silver, etc., and even oil. And so cryptocurrencies, no? So just choose whatever you want to trade with Vantage Market. So there you can trade BTC USD and yun. So with a lot of cryptocurrency apps, crypto apps na closing na we can work with this company with this broker where we can trade and have this opportunity. So here, ayan, nag-buy stop level tayo dito. Ayan, at 79,700 and it's still gaining. No? So we are targeting at least 87K. So why 87K? So yeah, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng bullish movement diyan. So dito kasi sa 70 na sa 87, medyo marami na nangyari, no? That's where a lot of things happened na nagkaroon ng pagbagsak. Ayan. So it's a previous support level and now a resistance area. So medyo malayo pa, no? So we let it ride muna. Yeah. So for those na nag-worry about the swap fees with BTC, I can help you with that. You can just join our Telegram community, message me there if you want to check the options about having a swap free account. So meaning, even if you leave your trades overnight, still wala ka ma-receive na swap. So it works well if you are buying gold, if you're buying Bitcoin. So wala kang magiging negative na swap free. Ay, na swap. O, wala kayong wala kayong magiging negative na swap fee. So those are for buying, no? And that's for our Bitcoin, no? So I uh, just want to share the update about this setup, no? So it's still retesting. So it's a clean breakout here and big candle, bullish engulfing, and it's a clean breakout. And now it's retesting. So stop is at 77, but if this one, ito, if dito ka nakabili and hindi nyo pa nako-close, you can just move your stop sa positive level, maybe around 76, no? So para kahit mabalikan siya, may stop siya, at least you are still on a positive level. Okay? That's how you milk the market. So the same thing happens here if you were able to buy here, no? So let's say you were able to buy here at that breakout, pinagalaw mo, retest, this is the retest, yan, retest yan, dito ka nag-buy. So, kung pinagalaw mo yan, inopen mo lang yung TP mo, yan, medyo malaki-laki na yung move niyan, no? So, from 70 to 80, it's a really big move already. Yeah. And as it goes up, you can just move your stop there. Yan. Ganyan lang. No, move your stop lang. Okay? So, you trail it and you milk the market. So, that's it for our Bitcoin update. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.